Amid all the noise from House critics, former lawyers and charter experts, Senate President Francis Escudero has stuck to his guns and held sway on how and when the impeachment trial of Vice President Sara Duterte Carpio should proceed. And our Daniel Manalastas runs down the details on Escudero's impeachment timeline in this report.
Senate President Francis Escudero released a proposed calendar on the impeachment trial of Vice President Sara Duterte. Based on the proposed calendar, on the resumption of session on June 2, the presentation of articles of impeachment by the prosecutors and approval of the revised rules of procedure on impeachment trials are tentatively set. Issuance of summons is scheduled on June 4, with the reception of pleadings set for June 14 to 24. Meanwhile, pre-trial is booked for June 24 to July 25, 2025. The inaugural session of the 20th Congress is slated on July 28, after which the newly elected or re-elected senators will have their oath taking the day on July 29. Finally, the impeachment trial kicks off on July 30.
No, it took us this long to be able to do these things again because we are acting on it prudently. We are not rushing, but neither are we delaying. This is not in response to any call or clamor or kahilingan ng kahit sino man, lalo na mga partisano o bias na mga tao.
However, how about the other hearings and those on the proposed budget?
We will allow committee hearings to conduct hearings. We will allow committees to conduct hearings during session unless may kailangan pagbotohan that their physical presence. Kasi kung gagawin namin hapon, edi kailan naman kami magsesesyon.
Escudero clarified this is just a proposed calendar and not yet final. Meanwhile, Escudero also issued a special order of the list of responsibilities of the Senate Secretary and other Senate offices regarding the impeachment trial.
Para makapaghanda sila at gumawa na rin ng proposed budget kaugnay nun dahil baka may mga unforeseen expenses na kailangan namin paghandaan. Ulitin ko, bahagi ito ng tinatawag nating quote, taking proper order of the subject of impeachment. Di pa man nagsisimula ang pre-trial o trial, ay
There are also other positions with specific or particular responsibilities. The Senate Sergeant-at-Arms, meanwhile, is responsible for serving the summons, subpoenas, and other legal documents. According to Senate Secretary Renato Bantug Jr., it will be tough, but he thinks he is ready. They are also consulting outside lawyers for guidance. Meanwhile, Escudero wrote to VP Sara and House Speaker Martin Romualdez regarding the preparations on the impeachment. Daniel Manalastas from the National TV for a new and better Philippines.